At one point or another, you've probably tried to find playlists on Spotify to promote your music. It can get pretty difficult trying to find playlists, especially legit ones. So today I'm going to be showing you a very cool website that allows you to search through thousands and thousands of Spotify playlists live that come with contact info as well as statistics, stuff like that. And that website is called Playlist Supply. They are sponsoring today's video, so shout out to them. But I promise you this website is legit and it's very, very good. It's only $19.99 a month, so it's a very affordable price and you unlock everything for that. It's not like there's a tier system or anything. And you can cancel at any time. So, you know, if you're not enjoying the service, just cancel it. But this is what the tool looks like. You essentially just put in some keywords and then choose a criteria, which include things like email, Instagram. You don't have to have anything. It'll just go by the keyword only. Similar artists in email, similar artists in social, just social media, and then Twitter, which, I mean, barely anybody's gonna have a Twitter in the bio of their playlist, but it's there. So let's say, for example, you wanna search something like sad rap. You can type that in, choose email, and then click search. Instantly, it starts searching through Spotify for playlists that have an email, as well as they're related to like sad rap type music. They have some really useful columns here as well. Of course, you can sort by followers if that's really all you care about. Then they got the number of tracks, which of course, if a playlist has like 1,000 tracks on it, you're probably not gonna get any streams. And if you do, they're fake. They've got this popularity column as well, which is really nice to have. Essentially, it's how much popular music to unpopular music is on those playlists. So if there's like 80, 90% popular music, odds of you reaching out and getting put on those playlists is pretty slim. If you have it between like 40 and 60%, that's probably a good balance. Then they have the last modified tab, which arguably to me is one of the most important for deciding which playlist to get on. You can sort it all the way till it says 0 days, which means it was updated today. This is super duper important because you want to make sure that these people are actively updating their playlist. But let's say your search is completed and you like some of the playlists and you want to remember them for later. You can go here, click this little plus sign. It's going to add a little check there, which means it's selected the playlist. I want to save this one, this one, this one, whatever ones you want. Then you click save to my playlist database. It's going to give you a little pop-up. You just push OK. Then right here at the top where it says my playlist database, you can click on that. It's going to take you here. You can see I already have a ton of playlists saved here because I actually did the select all feature from a search and saved literally every single one. But yeah, it'll save them in here for later. And when you're in here, you can also click update my playlist and you can see it updates the stats live right in front of you. This playlist lost 16 followers since I saved it. The popularity score on this has gone up just a slight amount. This one lost 13 followers. This one lost 3. This is pretty cool stats. So you can know if a playlist is growing very, very quickly or not. Usually very fast growth in a short period of time is a bit of an indicator of like suspiciousness. Of course, if you want to delete any of these, you just select on these playlists and then you click delete selected. Now I want to make this very, very clear. This is not a database of playlists that they're searching through. These are all playlists that are just being searched from Spotify. And so if you do this search again in 5-10 minutes, you can get different results. You could get brand new playlists. And that way, you know, they're not just feeding you a bunch of garbage. Like this can be literally any playlist that anyone makes at any point in any part of the world on Spotify. So let's do something else. Let's go rap and then search with email and then go exact search. Essentially, the exact search function allows you to get more specific with the criteria that you put in. So the word rap is more likely to be in the title as well as in the description, and you are almost guaranteed to get an email with every single result. If you scroll down here, you can see so far we haven't missed an email. It's literally an email for all of them. This one doesn't have one. But when you don't put the exact search function, it's going to give you a little bit more of a broad result. We got a bunch here: rap, chill rap, sad rap, chill rap and trap, rap US, rap music, rap lift. You see what I'm saying? And then they also have this secondary search box, which is super nice. If you click on this and you want to put in something specific, like you wanted to find rap playlists, but you want UK rap, you can search UK and it instantly starts searching through playlists that have UK in the title or whatever. You could also search something like old school. Now it gives you a bunch of old school rap playlists. You can see there's not many results for this, as well as they're missing some emails, but you get the point. There's a lot that you can do with the searches within here. I'm going to clear the search and we'll do one more. Let's try out the similar artist one. So I'm going to go Justin Bieber and then we'll go similar artist and email. And then we'll click search. It's crazy how fast these results start pouring in. Like you literally wait 5 seconds and all of a sudden you've just got like access to thousands of emails and like playlists. Like, this tool is so powerful, like, man. It's usually pretty rare, but some of these have links like directly within the bio as well. So here's an Instagram link. This is a Gmail, but for some reason the HTTPS was put there, so it, you know, analyzed it as a link. Some people will have a website. This is like YouTube videos or YouTube channel. So whether your search is finished or not, you can actually save it at whatever point that you click these buttons here. You can save as a CSV, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PDF. Let's say we want to save as an Excel spreadsheet for later. We can sort it by whatever category we want. So I'm going to do last modified. So I have the latest active playlist first. It instantly saves it. So I uploaded it to my Google Drive and opened it, and you can see like everything is in order like before. There is so many results here. It's absolutely insane. Look how long this scroll goes. That's 473 playlists to choose from. And you can see the results saved based off of when it was last modified, which is exactly what we wanted. Odds are a lot of these playlists are from the same people. Like you can see here, this is the same email, but different playlists. So I just searched delete duplicate lines, and then this website came up. You can scroll down, paste all the emails in here, click remove duplicate lines. And then down here, we've got only one of a kind emails. Copy to clipboard, paste them into a list, and then you can mass email these people if you want to contact them all at once. I think I'm going to do a follow-up video where I try to contact hundreds of these playlist curators, sort them into my own Excel spreadsheet with like all of their pricing, how long you'll be on the playlist, a list of the playlists that they offer, stuff like that. And then, you know, of course, give it to you guys. I think that's a good idea. If you do too, leave a like on this video. They always have someone on their team on standby to answer any questions that you have about the tool. So of course, don't hesitate to reach out to them if you need some more information. Again, use my link at the top of the description. Anyways, guys, it's been your boy MMXVII, and I'm out. Peace.